Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of alkenes. Today, we are diving deep into their fascinating properties. We'll start with the basics, then gradually explore more complex aspects, mechanisms, and real-world applications. Get ready to uncover why these simple hydrocarbons are so crucial in chemistry and our daily lives. Let's kick things off with the fundamental properties of alkenes. These are the building blocks, easy to grasp, but essential for everything that follows. Alkenes exhibit clear trends in their physical state. The smallest ones, like methane and ethane, are gases. As the carbon chain grows, they become liquids and eventually solids. This change is directly linked to their boiling points, which steadily increase with more carbon atoms. The reason? Stronger intermolecular forces, which we'll explore further. When it comes to solubility, alkenes are nonpolar, making them insoluble in water but readily soluble in other organic solvents. This, like dissolves like, principle is fundamental. They are also less dense than water. Chemically, alkenes are known for their low reactivity, hence the name paraffins. However, their most famous reaction is combustion, where they burn to release energy, forming carbon dioxide and water. Now, let's test your understanding of these basic alkane properties. Take a moment to answer these three questions based on what we've just discussed. Think about the carbon count, polarity, and combustion products. Ready to go a bit deeper? In the medium level, we'll uncover how molecular structure influences properties and introduce some key reactions. Branching in alkenes has a significant impact on their boiling points. You'll find that branched isomers have lower boiling points than their straight-chain counterparts. This is because branching reduces the surface area available for intermolecular interactions, weakening the van der Waals forces. We'll also see that while density increases with molecular mass, alkenes always remain lighter than water. Chemically, one of the most important reactions of alkenes is free radical halogenation. This is where a hydrogen atom is substituted by a halogen, typically chlorine or bromine, under UV light or heat. This reaction proceeds through a fascinating three-step mechanism: initiation, propagation, and termination. Understanding these steps is key to predicting products. Another crucial chemical property is pyrolysis, also known as cracking. This process involves breaking down larger alkenes into smaller, more valuable hydrocarbons, often alkenes, at high temperatures. It's a cornerstone of the petroleum industry, allowing us to convert heavy crude oil fractions into gasoline and other essential petrochemicals. Time to apply your knowledge to some medium-level challenges. These 5 questions will help solidify your understanding of branching effects, halogenation conditions, and the importance of cracking. Alright, let's step up the game to the hard level. Here, we'll analyze the why behind the observations and connect properties to fundamental chemical theories. At this level, we delve into the specifics of intermolecular forces. London dispersion forces, though weak, dictate many physical properties of alkenes. Their strength depends not just on size, but crucially on the molecular shape and surface area. This explains the precise boiling point differences between isomers. We'll also examine the regioselectivity and reactivity in free radical halogenation, understanding why certain hydrogens are preferred over others and why bromine is more selective than chlorine. The difference in selectivity between chlorination and bromination is a classic topic. We'll compare their reactivity towards primary, secondary, and tertiary hydrogens, revealing that bromination is highly selective due to its more endothermic nature and a later transition state, which resembles the more stable radical. We'll also explore isomerization and aromatization, two vital industrial processes that transform alkanes into more valuable products. Understanding cracking goes beyond just breaking bonds. We'll compare the mechanisms of thermal and catalytic cracking. Thermal cracking uses high temperatures and a free radical pathway, while catalytic cracking employs specific catalysts like zeolites to facilitate a carbocation mechanism at lower temperatures, yielding more controlled and desirable products. These theoretical connections help us appreciate the complexity and utility of alkane chemistry. Now, let's tackle these 7 hard-level questions. They require a deeper analytical approach, applying concepts of intermolecular forces, reaction mechanisms, selectivity, and industrial processes. Good luck! Welcome to the hardest level, the G Advanced Frontier. Here, we'll explore alkanes with competitive depth, linking their properties to advanced theories, detailed mechanisms, and real-world engineering insights. We begin with conformational analysis, understanding how rotation around C-to-C bonds leads to different conformers like staggered and eclipsed forms, and how their relative stabilities influence overall molecular behavior. Then, we'll dive into the quantitative kinetics and thermodynamics of free radical halogenation. We'll use bond dissociation energies and Hammond postulate to precisely explain the observed regoselectivity and stereoselectivity, differentiating chlorination from bromination at a rigorous level. Next, we explore the critical industrial applications of alkane properties. Octane rating, a measure of fuel's antinocq properties, is directly tied to alkane structure, with branched alkanes exhibiting higher octane numbers. Catalytic reforming is the process that converts low-octane straight-chain alkanes into high-octane branched and aromatic compounds. We'll also examine advanced cracking processes like fluidase catalytic cracking and hydrocracking, understanding their mechanisms and the valuable byproducts they yield for the petrochemical industry. Beyond industrial uses, alkanes play a significant role in environmental chemistry. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, contributes to climate change. We'll also look at how alkanes react in the atmosphere, initiated by radicals like hydroxyl, leading to the formation of ozone, smog, and other air pollutants. Understanding these complex atmospheric reactions is crucial for addressing environmental challenges and developing sustainable practices. From their fundamental molecular structure to their global environmental impact, the properties of alkanes demonstrate a remarkable chain of scientific and engineering relevance. The principles you learn here about their physical and chemical behavior are foundational to organic chemistry, petroleum engineering, and environmental science. Mastering these concepts provides a powerful toolkit for understanding a vast array of chemical phenomena. Now, it's time for the ultimate challenge. Here are the first 5 questions for the hardest level. These problems demand comprehensive understanding, critical thinking, and the ability to integrate multiple concepts. Take your time, analyze each question carefully, and apply all you've learned. And here are the remaining 5 questions to truly test your mastery of alkane properties at the G Advanced level. These problems often require detailed mechanistic understanding, quantitative analysis, and an appreciation for real-world applications. Push your limits and demonstrate your deep knowledge. You've journeyed through the incredible properties of alkanes, from basic physical states to complex industrial mechanisms and environmental impacts. This topic is fundamental for your G Advanced success. For more such in-depth content and to continue your learning adventure, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and valuable educational resources. Keep exploring, keep learning.